with my fiancé. I want 2 children, one man and woman. One girl and one boy. But I'm going to work. It's okay for me.
Okay. Grace. Oh, I can't hear you. In the future,
I want to become a doctor or help people. And
hey, doctors, they help people.
what?
Doctors, they help people.
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
They went to collect money, they don't help
Then what about the money from them?
Okay. If doctors help
Especially,
people,
I
what about
want
the
to
herbalists?
help people.
not ugly ones.
To travel a lot. That's all.
The next person.
I wish 4 boys.
Firstly, to worship Almighty Allah and obey His rules and regulations.
We can't hear you.
I said firstly is to worship Almighty Allah and obey His rules and regulations. After worshiping Him, to know no God except Allah.
Can you hear you? Can you please repeat what you're saying?
Okay, firstly is to worship Almighty Allah and follow and obey His rules and regulations. After that, in my future, I want to be ambassador
For which country?
to Guinea.
Saudi Arabia.
Guinea.
Yeah,
Okay. Shall see those who want to become.
and get a gorgeous girl that I will marry.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Hey, I see.
All right.
You are right.
All right. I think in a nutshell, we got to know a little bit about your purpose. But it's as if we are confusing purpose with goals. If you want to marry and give birth to 3 people,
That's a goal.
children, there are goals you are setting, objective you are setting for yourself. You want to have a very tall man to marry, it's an objective you are setting. It can happen that you go and marry a short man.
Short man.
You see, what we're talking about purpose is something that has been given to you to achieve before you die. It's given by God. It's inside you. And that thing you must finish it before you die. And looking at things, it's as we have not found it yet. We've not got it. Everybody, nice man, money, money, money. There's nobody on this earth that does not want money. Everybody wants money because money is important. So you can't say that your purpose of coming to this earth is to have money. No, that God will have thrown you somewhere because God doesn't need that. Your purpose is something that you're going to do to have effect on your society. Something that will bring change in people's life. It's not the money. Even your smile. There are some people you can insult them, they don't get angry. Even if they are angry, you don't see it. It's something that is within. It's a gift that is inside you. And if you find that thing, that is where we can sharpen it and develop it for betterment of what? Our society. Now I want to ask a very interesting question. Will you be missed if you die? Not by your mother and your father, they will miss you. Will you be missed if right now you close your eyes?
No.
By your country?
No. No.
By your friend on Facebook.
So they will miss.
Of course.
Hello?
No.
If we cannot be missed, then we have not reached there. We have not started. We all need to restart. Go back to the corner and think, why am I here? Now, the man gave us some strong questions, 5. He gave 2, eh?
Yes.
Okay, then I'll help you with the rest. Alright. The first 2 that we got, what are they?
Who am I?
Who am I? This question alone can take us the whole day. If I ask you, who are you? What are you going to tell me? Yes? Are you Amsika?
No.
Who are you? I am Sika. Yes, who are you? Dangerous question. Yes?
I am a daughter of God.
You are what?
A daughter of God.
She's also a daughter of God. Yes? You want to answer?
Yes.
Yes, who are you?
I'm engineering in electrical.
Engineer.
Yes.
I thought that God have only one son.
I'm electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer.
Like I will do it, I will be, so I am.
Yes, who are you?
I'm one of the seed of this life.
I like that one. I'm one of the seeds in this life that will tend to become a forest. I like that one. Yes.
I can't say we don't know ourselves.
You can say
Yes.
you don't know yourself, know ourselves. So, because
Okay,
that's the-
myself. Okay. I don't know myself because it's like the doctor said, if even your parent or your parents, yes,
They don't know
they
you.
don't know you. They just call you by your name, but only God know what He put inside you and what He want for you in your life.
Yes, from that point, what do you think can identify us? The question is, who are you?
Yes.
It's about identity.
Yes.
What do you think will identify you as a human being?
Why?
What do you think?
Destiny. Is your purpose or your destiny?
The power of the person.
Yes. Qualities.
The potential.
What?
Potential.
Your potentials.
Potential.
So are you going to be identified by name or what you do?
It's not by the name, it's what you, I think what you do, by what you do.
But why is it that people will start? Do you know me?
It's just, they're not just your parents, not what
Do you know my father?
Who is your father?
it's not, I can know your father just by his face, not
So this question cannot be finished here today. So you need to go back to the clip, get it, listen to it, sit in the corner. Yesterday we learned something that you must be alone.
yes.
Be in the corner and identify. The day you finish answering this question and you identify who you are, not Francis Asiankwi, you identify who you are, and if you got that, no matter what is happening, you will get there. A lot of people are frustrated because they don't know who they are. When you see somebody say, oh, you want to walk like, what is that? I don't know them. These American foolish people.
50 cents.
Yes, they wear some chains, big chains. Somebody is wearing 3-4 on the neck, carrying load on yourself. You want to look like those singers. You are not. You want to cut your hair like those people. You are not. You are the only person on earth. Nobody is like you. So find out who you are. When we get who we are, we've got there. We are just imitating people. You see somebody, you want to be like the person. Do you know who you are? Maybe you are not so. Some people say, I want to be an engineer. You are not going to be an engineer. Maybe you're going to be a professor of law. You don't know, because you couldn't identify, because you see that engineers are respected in the society. So because of that, you want to become an engineer. Some people are doctors because they could not identify who they are. They are killing children in the hospitals. They are killing a lot of people in the hospitals. When you come to realize who actually you are, you leave all the things in the hospital and run there. Maybe you are supposed to be doing sachet water. So we need to go back to our closet and find out who we are. The second question.
Where am I from?
Where am I from? Where do you come from? Yes, Abiba. So people came, they are from New York, from Oklahoma. Yes. Osman, where do you come from?
I come from my mother.
You come from mother? This is serious, yes.
I'm the outcome of deep feelings that my father and my mother had.
The deep feelings that your father and your mother had.
Outcome.
The outcome, the result of the deep feeling of your mother and your father. This is serious. So that is your source, eh? Yes, my good friend, forgive me. Yes. The question is, where am I from? That's what you should ask yourself. If you ask pointing at somebody, you don't get. Yes. You are from God. Okay. Let's take it like that. Yes, Grace. Oh, but there's an assumption that human being came out from monkeys. Oh, didn't you hear the preaching?
Yes. That is the
That is why I
scientific.
say you didn't understand the preaching.
It's not the truth. It's God who
You said
created
that is
all.
evolution of foolishness.
Yes.
Not agree with that. If you come
Huh?
from not agree with that.
You don't agree with it? Yes, where do you come from? If you don't agree.
But right now, you can go to the forest and you can see a lot of monkeys.
They are not changing to human beings.
They are no human beings. You can never say that human beings come from monkeys. Yes. It's true.
Oh, proof.
But we are not supposed
They are from monkeys.
Yeah.
And tell, he said his point also.
Bongo.
Proof.
I have to do some
Calculations.
Or dent.
So you have that your
you have the
beautiful,
same characteristics.
beautiful face.
Okay.
They compare it to the monkey.
What?
The beautiful face. You can compare it to the monkey.
You can dance
You know
Bongo.
something? God stops the transformations of the others monkey. Okay.
When God said that after creating animals, He made a man.
You met what?
The man, the first man on the earth.
Spiritually.
Spiritual grace.
You take for us the example of the Bible, like Adam and Eve.
How do you know that?
We are not the same thing. If you want to take science, that means come from the monkeys in generally. If you want to take religion,
In
it comes
science,
from
but
Adam and
sometimes
Eve, God, and from
They can never demonstrate all things they have put down. They can never demonstrate all. They have a lot of limitations. They can never demonstrate all. You can say that I'm already from the monkey.
You couldn't convince us.
Please,
So,
I want
yes.
He is saying, the pastor, that we came from monkeys or what?
No. He said that the professors,
It's that man who said
professors
that
will
we
tell
come
you
from
that
monkeys.
you are from monkeys.
No, I'm not
You disagree.
I not agree with him because he is saying what he think. You're not supposed to.
No,
just explain.
professors.
Yes. What
People
professors
study
say.
human being, call
And
it
say that.
evolution. And they say human being, they progress gradually from animals and they
But
turn
it's
to
not
human
true.
beings. And then tell us what is true.
We came from this Adam and Eva, and they are not monkeys. Yes.
Now, how do you know that you are from?
How do you know that you were a monkey before you take your human being
If you
form?
consider the Bible, consider the
They
Bible.
didn't.
No,
God
not only
made
Bible.
only one
Not only
man.
Bible.